Hello everyone, I'm Hui Jing. Here I'm going to introduce the auto-assign service recently introduced in MathCup. On a high level, in this service, MathCup auto-assigns problem sets based on users' customized selection of knowledge points. In a minute, I'm going to show how this can be done. But first, let's understand who are the target users or who might find this service particularly useful. Now, this service is for students who need summer review. Summer is coming. Are you concerned about this phenomenon called summer slide? Well, you should. Summer slide refers to the well-documented fact that during the summer recession, students will forget typically about 30% of what they learned in the school year. By doing exercises, for example, the exercises that this service provide, students can prevent the summer slide. Second, during the school year that students work on problem sets, parents often think that it's too easy. Now, this service will give complementary exercises which have problems are higher quality and which covers in depth of the knowledge points. So for example, during school, the students are learning, for example, fraction. In this auto-assign service, the parent can choose the knowledge point to be fraction, and MathCup will auto-assign problem sets on fraction, help students master that knowledge point. And this service is also for students who are doing self-study. When students doing self-study, one of the problem is they don't have sufficient exercise. And this auto-assign service can fill that void. Now we're going to show how we're going to use this auto-assign service. Several things I'm going to show, including how we're going to enable the service, how we're going to customize the subscription, and how you will see the assign the problem set. So first we go to the website mathcup.com. Now this service is only available to registered users. So if you have not registered, please do so by clicking join. It should be fast and convenient. Now after you registered, you can log in. So log in first. And this service is available at MySpace. So in MySpace, currently this auto-assign service is accessible through settings. We might change the place where we put it. So in the settings right now, you see that enable auto assignment subscription. So the first thing is you're going to click. So by clicking, you make it active. By clicking here, you become inactive. All right, so you can start a service and maybe in a few months you want to disable the service, it's fine. And the section here is about the knowledge points you want to customize for the assignment. And by the way, the assignment is weekly and it happens every Sunday around 10 o'clock in the morning. So in this customized knowledge point selection, there are kind of a level 1 knowledge points on the left. Level 1 is kind of a high level. So you see number theory, geometry, algebra, probability, and combinatorics, strategic games. So this is kind of the high level of knowledge points. And if you want to go deeper, you can say, okay, for geometry, instead of, I can go to Pythagorean theorem instead of 3D geometry. All right, if you select this, then the assignments will be only on Pythagorean theorem. Now, for parents who are not that familiar with these knowledge points, don't worry, you can unselect and just leave as the geometry. Or you also want to include algebra, so you put algebra. And once you select this, you update the subscription using this button. And this setting is now saved. And every week, on Sunday, a problem set that including problems on geometry and algebra will be assigned to the user. Now, there's this level. Level actually roughly corresponds to the grade of the student is in. And but because that the problem sets here are usually tend to be a little bit challenging problems, maybe at the beginning you want to set a little bit lower. Maybe if the student is in 6th grade, you can set at a 5. So by trial and error, you will know that where the student level is. And once you're subscribed, you are basically done. Now, if you want to test this, like if the subscription is properly done or not, you can use this test button. But by click test button here, we're going to generate a problem set, assigned set at this moment. So you see auto assign set is in your assignments. So where is the assignment? This assignment is in the MySpace assignments here. And you will see on here, June 21st, this day of the video, you see this auto assign set. Okay, and you go there, you see should be C problems on geometry and algebra, which the knowledge point that you selected. And each problem set, I believe right now we're setting around 10 problems. So this set it has 10 problems. So now the user can work on this set. And go to the settings. You see the knowledge points. So the test set is happening now. Otherwise, there will be a weekly assignments every Sunday.